My gear indicator is in a faulty kind of mood again. It seems this thing just picks an ignition cycle to throw faults. Wonder if this will change things. Holy shit, it's been like 12 days since I've been out on this thing. This late in the season, man, leaves are changing, it's getting cool out every day. And here I am wasting 12 days. I'll bet I'll be regretting that come January. Got a group ride coming up in the next couple of days. That should help make up for some lost time anyway. I can feel a cold coming on too, but until it gets a full grip on me, I can't stay home. Just about time for another oil change on this thing too. Maybe that's what I'll do tomorrow night. Oil change tomorrow, then group ride Saturday. That'd be a good way to do it. It's crazy. It's like 26 or 2,700 kilometers on it since the engine incident. I think I might finally pull the trigger and switch it up to synthetic oil too on this one. We'll give it a shot. I'm sure it won't make a damn bit of difference, but you know, the placebo effect will probably have me thinking, wow, this is great. See, my gear indicator is in a faulty kind of mood again. Don't see it very often, but every once in a while. You know, thinking about how many kilometers we've been putting on this year, and I think the 400 may actually be due to have an oil change before it goes away for the winter also. I change it more often than I need to on this one, but I'll be changing it way more often than that one needs it if I do it before it goes away. It might only have, I don't know, 3,000 kilometers or so on it. It had it changed at, I think, 1,100. That was the first service. Oh well. No harm in overdoing it, I guess. It's good to have some fresh oil in it if it's going to sit for a few months like that. Used oil gets a bit acidic after a while, and letting it sit in there ain't good for bearings and stuff. Realistically, would it ever do enough damage to an engine to notice it? Probably not for as long as I own the damn thing, but you know. It's going to be a fun little road too that I don't often take. Is really moving along through here. Just realized I've been averaging well over 100 kilometers an hour through here, and he's still ahead of me. He's just popping smoke. Oh man, take that, EPA. Imagine that. A lot of trucks running through here. Ah, this is why. This is where they're working on twinning the highway. Another overpass going in there too. Haven't done that in a while. It seems most of my miles are spent just riding around with Tracy, not really having any fun. Well, I shouldn't say that. It's fun. But not being an asshole, I guess is what I should say. seems this thing just picks an ignition cycle to throw faults. Once it starts, it just does it constantly for that cycle. I wonder if this will change things. Let's see if it's any happier now. Well, I guess it's still pissed. Whatever. It works like 95% of the time, so I sure wish there was a way to connect a USB cable or something to the damn thing, though, because then you could update the firmware without mailing it halfway around the world. A simple firmware update would cure this issue. I just don't feel like fishing the damn thing out of the bike and sending it off. So I guess that's about it for this one. Just a little quick rip to get out and scratch the itch. So if you're still watching at this point, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell and all that good stuff. Don't forget to check out the Fortnite affiliate links in the description too. If you're planning on making a purchase at Fortnite anytime soon, it would really help out the channel. I guess I'm going to head home and I'll catch you on the next one.